Hi there, I'm Jason with Enphase. Today I want to highlight an issue that we just identified inside the new IQ 5 and 5C combiners. With this combiner, we've also released a new consumption CT, and the wires on the CTs now all have individual colors to make it easier than ever to land those inside of the gateway. What we found was that the stickers that were created that showed the terminal locations for those wires, the colors were flipped. So we've identified the issue with inside the combiner and have came up with a corrective action for the short term of what we'd like you as the installers to do until we can send out a correct sticker to make sure that it's left in a good spot for you guys in the future if you ever have to come back. So let's jump in and let's look at the issues that we found and how to fix it. Okay, so I'm going to be using one of the systems in our Fremont training lab to explain what to look for in identifying the wiring issue inside the IQ Combiner. Again, this is only going to impact IQ Combiner 5s and IQ Combiner 5Cs. Now the issue is, you can see here that all of our CTs now are color coded. We're going to have the phase A, which we're going to call line 1, is going to be red and black. Phase B, which is going to be line 2, is going to be brown and purple. And then the white and blue will actually be for the storage CT, which is not going to be impacted by this. It's only going to be the L1 and the L2 wires that are going to be the issue. Now let's jump to a sticker on the IQ Combiner and explain what the issue is. When looking at the sticker inside the IQ Combiner cover, we can see that we have the call out for a CT on consumption L1, CT on consumption L2. Currently it's showing a red on the upper and a black on the lower for CT L1, and a brown on the upper and a purple on the lower for CT consumption 2. The issue is this sticker was printed backwards. It should be that the black is on the upper, the red is on the lower, and then on the L2 the purple is on the upper and the brown is on the lower. So the issue is basically that it's upon wiring it in this method, it is reversing the polarity of the consumption CTs and producing negative readings when you're commissioning the system. So now let's talk about what the corrective actions are. Okay, so we have two corrective actions for this. The first one, which is the Enphase suggested way, is going to actually be able to flip the wires and wire it up correctly. This is going to allow you to do a follow-up site visit, or potentially even mail your customer the sticker if you feel that they could do it. But this is going to allow you just to change this sticker right here and not have to open up anything on the system in a return visit. The other way that this can be fixed, if you've already left the site and if this didn't get caught during the consumption CT wizard, which it should have been, because you should have seen a negative flow when you were commissioning the system with the PV off. Some installers have already flipped the arrows facing towards the utility. That's not our preferred method because that's kind of left in an incorrect state. But the other way that we can fix this is by using Enlighten Manager, and we can flip the polarity of the wires to correct it. And then upon the return visit, you would have to actually reverse that polarity back, fix the wiring, and then you'd probably want to run through that consumption CT wizard again. Okay, thanks for following through on this video, and we hope we've made it easy to correct this for now. And if you have any questions at all, please reach out to the Enphase customer support, and we apologize, and hopefully we can get this resolved fairly quick. Thank you.